Fedora Silverblue is making waves in the Linux world, touted as one of the best immutable distros out there. But is it really as revolutionary as it sounds? Let's dig in and see what makes it stand out or not. So, what exactly is Fedora Silverblue? It's a variant of the Fedora distribution designed with immutability in mind. This means that the core operating system remains unchanged, providing a stable foundation that doesn't get altered by regular updates or installations. This approach can be particularly appealing for developers and users who want a reliable environment without the usual risks of breakage during updates. As you dive into the user experience, you'll find that Silverblue is built around Flatpak for applications, which allows for easy installation and sandboxing of apps. This could be a game changer for those who prioritize security and isolation. However, if you're someone who likes to tweak and customize your OS frequently, the immutable nature might feel restrictive. Right off the bat, the interface is sleek and user-friendly, but some users might find the transition from traditional package management a bit jarring. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the upside, the immutability of Fedora Silverblue means fewer headaches when it comes to system stability. Updates are clean and seamless, and the use of Flatpak ensures that applications are isolated from the system environment, enhancing security. However, there are some frustrations. The learning curve can be steep for those unfamiliar with working in a Flatpak-centric environment. Also, traditional package management is absent, which might not sit well with seasoned Linux users who enjoy the flexibility of apt or rpm. Plus, while Silverblue is great for development, it may not be the best fit for casual users who prefer a more conventional desktop experience. In conclusion, Fedora Silverblue is a solid choice for developers and those who value stability and security over customization. If you're looking for a reliable, immutable Linux distro, it's definitely worth a try. However, if you thrive on flexibility and tweaking your system, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it feels trustworthy but may not suit everyone's needs.